Hi, it's Colleen with Colleen Beauty and Fashion. So it's another fun day. I arrived home to find out that my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy Bag are here. So I thought I would shoot a quick video and open them up and see what's inside and share it with you. So here we go. Stay tuned. Let's have some fun. So here we go with the Ipsy bag. This is the bag for March. It says Power Moves. Gotta like that. Power moves. So as I mentioned before in the first video I did about these two subscription services, you know what's in the Ipsy one. You don't know what's in the BoxyCharm one. So I do know what's in here, but I'm still opening it up for you for the first time. So the first thing is this little makeup brush that didn't fit in the bag, so it came separately in the envelope. And this is from Firma. And it looks like a beautiful angle blender brush. I think you could use it for several things. In fact, I remember reading that it could do, like contour around your nose in there well for concealer and stuff. But I think its intention is, primarily eyeshadow. It is a little on the big side for me, but it'll make a good blender. And as you can see, it's after work and my eyeshadow has stayed on pretty good again today. And that's because, as I've mentioned before in my other videos, I believe in primers. I am a convert for sure. When I use primers, things stay where I put them. So anyway, back to the brush. I think it's quite nice. It's very soft for sure. It's really soft. Feels wonderful actually. So yeah, we'll look forward to using this one. It's a great addition to my collection, and I'll let you know. So let's see what we have in this little blue bag. There is, oh yes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Now, I think this is probably a classic, a cult classic anyways, and this is the Skinny Brow Pencil. I remember way back when Anastasia Beverly Hills first launched, and this was one of their items. Not this one. I'm sure it's been updated many times, but this was the original one that so many people like. So I'm excited to try that. We also have in here Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Radiance Cream. There it is. So this is some lovely skincare. It says our skin strengthening super light gel nourishes, calms inflammation, protects and restores balance to the skin's microbiome. So that'll be nice to try. And what else do we have? Oh, this is the thing I asked for. So I am in constant search of something that's gonna go under my eyes, not go into the creases, and brighten them up. I should take my glasses off. I don't know if you can see, but I don't have really dark circles. Like I'm okay with the color under my eyes, but all these little wrinkles and everything, and the shadows, I would like something to go under there that would kind of smooth all that out and maybe brighten the area up a little bit. So one of the things you could choose this time in the Ipsy bag was this Winky Lux Peeper Perfect, and it's supposed to be an under eye brightener. It's very small, but it'll definitely give me a test of it. So I'm looking forward to trying that out, and I'll let you. And last but not least in the Ipsy bag is this Kinship Vegan Lip Jelly Mask for softer, plumper lips. So that'd be great. I always like lip plumping things. So we'll give that a shot and we'll see how that is. It says it has papaya enzyme ferment in it to gently exfoliate your lips, and hyaluronic acid, which we know is great for, hydrating things. So we'll give this a shot and see how that works. So let's move on now and see what's in the BoxyCharm box. Okay, so the first thing says Aceology Overnight Lip Mask, exfoliating, hydrating, and smoothing. I am gonna have the plumpest, nicest lips ever with all these things I've got now. So let me just open this and we'll see what it looks like. It The one thing I do like about BoxyCharm is they do give very generous size products. So look at that. It's nice and big, right? You can definitely tell by the end of this whether you like the product or not. So I think that's great. So I'll give that a try. Overnight lip mask. Should be good. And here we have, this looks like tools. So let's see, open it up. Yeah, oh good. So this will add more to my collection because I do need things, so that's great. I have another, I do love sponges, so here's a sponge. So that's good. It's a pretty red one. And then I have another brush in here. So this is the brush. And it says it's called the Finisher. So it looks like it might be a good foundation brush, which I'm looking for. So mini base, yeah. So, and it's a good size. You could put it, take it along. Sorry. You could take it along on holidays or in your makeup bag. I do like that. So I've got 2 new brushes to try, so that's exciting. So I should have mentioned that these products are from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. The brush and the little sponge. So Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. So moving on, we have the Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask for babes who bite the forbidden fruit and then mask with it. That's really cute. I like that imagery. So yeah, it says it's all naturally, well, 98% naturally derived. And it has a cacao plum, which tackles pigmentation, and papaya enzyme, which dissolves dead skin. That's the second thing that has papaya in it, and I do know that papaya does work as an enzyme. So this will be fun to try. I like that there's some skincare in this box. It's great. This is the thing I asked for. It's from Rare Beauty, and it's the Always an Optimist Illuminating Primer. So I've been talking about primers quite a bit and how much I like them. But I've had some that I didn't like because they were too silicone-y. Is that a word? Silicone-y? Anyway, I know Rare Beauty has a great reputation. Of course, it's Selena Gomez's makeup line. And look at the bottle, it's beautiful. Nice, soft, dusty pink on the top. And a nice weighted bottle. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm just going to try a little on my hand. Yeah, it's really pretty coming out of the bottle. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. A little bit of a glow. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that. But it is quite beautiful. So I'm excited to try that. I think this will work better for my mature skin because silicone just seems to sit on top and move around when you put anything else over it. So, but this feels quite lovely. It smells okay. It doesn't have much of a smell, but it does smell okay. One of the ones that I got, I think it was from Elf Beauty, had a really strong chemical smell. So I didn't like that. But this is very nice. So I'm excited about that. So that's it for my Ipsy bag. Sorry, yes, my Ipsy bag and my BoxyCharm box for the month of March. So what I'm going to do now is I'll try these products out for a couple weeks and then I'll do a review. That's what I did last time and everybody seemed to enjoy that. So I will do that again. So thanks for joining me for this quick little review of what I got in my BoxyCharm and my Ipsy bag. My friend Bonnie is here to say goodbye, as we always do. If you like this video and if you like the other content on my channels, please subscribe. We have lots of great things coming up, and I'm going to have a special announcement at the end of March when I do my favorites and fails for the month. So make sure that you check in for that because I have something really exciting planned and I think you'll really enjoy it. But for now, let's say goodbye, Bonnie. Say bye-bye to the people. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, people. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Bye-bye.